What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that for now we have very good forecasts from analysts firm, and I will show you that more and more institutional investors are buying BABA stock. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we reached the range of resistance, and most likely we might have some kind of pullback, and this pullback might lead to next movement to the upside. And as you can see, we had very shallow pullback for not more than, let me show it to you, not more than 4%, and then we have this movement to the upside that brought about 9% of potential profits. And definitely with this movement to the downside we are in consolidation phase, and most likely we might see even lower price targets, and I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint in just several minutes. And for now, just congratulations to all of you who took my previous call from this point and who had about 15% of potential profits. So let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article. We are on South China Morning Post, and this article was published on May the 30th. And I have to say it's quite interesting that we have an advertisement from Alibaba right here at the top of this screen. And it is, in my opinion, it is quite meaningful. So let's continue. US fund manager piles $1.2 billion into Alibaba, JD.com, Chinese tech peers in 12 months waiting for policy valuation payoff. And the key points are following. San Francisco-based fund accumulated $1.26 billion worth of stocks, including Alibaba, JD.com and Baidu over the past 4 quarters, 13F filings show. Like Singapore's Temasek, money manager is banking on policy support, cheap valuations in decision to load up securities. And the name of this company is Dodge & Cox. And let me show you right here on the list of institutional investors. You can find Dodge & Cox company that filed its 13F filing on May 13. And as you can see, they added its position by almost 34%, and for now they own about $1.29 billion in Alibaba alone. On top of that, let me show you that if you try to find another mention of Dodge & Cox, you can find that we have 5 mentions in this list, and let me show you previous ones. Right here you can find the next index that is managed by Dodge & Cox, and as you can see, they also added its position by 34.77%, and they own right now about $208 million in Alibaba. Next one, another index, Dodge & Cox International Stock Fund, also added about 30% to its position, and they own right now $819.5 million. Next one, Dodge & Cox Balanced Fund increased its position by almost 60%, and they own right now about $50 million in these stocks. And another one, Dodge & Cox Emerging Markets Stock Fund. They added its position by 24.7%, and it is quite a small position compared to previous ones. And they own right now $7.19 million in value in this company. Definitely, it is a very good sign that this investing company is pouring their money into BABA. And let me show you that we have more price targets from analysts. On June the 1st, on Yahoo Finance, we have this article that is titled "Alibaba faces challenges, but its stock is still a buy for the long term," says Morgan Stanley. And Morgan Stanley analyst Gary Yu made this forecast, and he set the price target of Alibaba at the price of $140. definitely it is a very good upside potential for more than 40% from its current levels. On top of that, let me show you that we have even more funds that just made their new forecast. Benchmark set its price target on May 27th, and they lowered the price target from $220 to $200, and this price target still implies more than 111% of upside potential. And we have Truist Financial that set its price target on May 31st, and they boost their price target from $132 to $135. That implies about 55% of upside potential. And it is the second company that boosts its price target. First one was JP Morgan Chase & Co. And they made their prediction on May 16th, and they set their price target, they upgraded their price target from $75 to $130. So we have basically some good changes in the sentiment related to Alibaba. And let me show you the bigger picture of these forecasts. We are on tipranks.com, and we have 19 ratings right now. 17 of them suggest to buy, 2 to hold, and 0 to sell. And the price targets are following. Even the lowest price target is $115. Average price target is $159.84. And the highest price target is $276. And to the average price target, we have about 71.17% of upside potential. And even lower price target implies about 20% of upside potential in upcoming 12 months. So definitely, because of the easing of COVID-19 restriction rules, and let me show you that right here on Barron's we have the article that is titled "China is lifting COVID restrictions. Alibaba, JD.com and other stocks are rising." And this might be one of the reasons why we have the surge in price of these stocks. And definitely because of this, we might see a next movement to the upside, and we might make some profits. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have two major pivot points. It is its lowest point right here at the price of about $73.28, and the highest point right here at $124.24. And the entire price section in between these two ranges is nothing else but just a consolidation phase. And definitely each and every swing high and swing low implies the potential range of support and resistance. And the more supports or resistances this asset breaks, the more confirmation we will have of this certain movement. This means if we will break first of all this previous swing high and this swing high, definitely this asset becomes more bullish. Otherwise, if this asset breaks this bottom and this one, we will be more bearish, and on a greater scale we will have only one support range that should hold the price action. So, and what should we expect next? Always guys, you should find some patterns, and if you connect several lines, several points, for example, if you connect these two bottoms and project this line to the upside, and right here, as you can see, we are forming some kind of channel. This means if this channel holds, if this upper resistance holds, we should land somewhere at the lower point of this support range, and this means we have the point of control from $84.14 all the way to probably $86. And we might land somewhere here, and if we will have a bounce to the upside, most likely we will retest the upper resistance. This means these two key points are the most crucial ones for now for this asset, and definitely because of this consolidation phase we have to have more certainty in order to add our swing trade position. But from the investor standpoint, if your investment horizon is longer than 18 months, definitely you have to accumulate your position all the way down on every daily red candle, and this will give you the most attractive average price. And on a bigger picture, this asset is very attractive fundamentally, and in my opinion, in a matter of next 2 years, it will bring you a lot of profits. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life I'm